Hey there guys, my name is Ehtisham and you are watching Lawa. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click on subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified about my new videos. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your old mobile phone a spy camera and watch the live recording on laptop. There are two ways to watch the live recording. The first one is watching the live recording on VLC media player, which is more convenient, and second is watching that video on any browser, which is more like a pro. So today in this video I'm gonna show you both of the ways. So let's get started with mobile. So let's get started. First of all, just go to Play Store. Search IP webcam. Okay, now you'll have to download it, but I have already downloaded it, so I don't have to download it anymore. Okay, now after downloading it, just click on open. Okay, now these are the settings. Like, you can set this as required by you. So after all the settings, these are the best settings. I recommend you don't change them. Okay, so after all this, just go down and click on start server to start your recording. Like, just click on start server and the recording will be started. And after starting the recording, even if you'll just close this app, the recording will be still on. Just click on start server and it's not gonna stop until you stop it yourself. And like, if you want to stop itself, just go back and close the application. But if you don't want to close it, if you don't want to close the recording and you want to use your mobile, just let me show you how can you do that. So let's start again. Start server. Now I want to record everything, but I want to use my mobile with that. So just click on the home button and do whatever you want. Everything will be recorded. Now let me show you how to watch this recording on your Android or on your laptop, or laptop on Google Chrome or VLC media player on your laptop. So let's shift to laptop. So now, as you can see in your mobile, there is a link at the bottom of the screen which is starting with HTTP. So now just open any of your browser. Like, I want to use Google Chrome, more good, but you can use any of your browser. Now just copy the link here, HTTP. After copying the link, just click on enter and go to that website. So now, just click on full screen, select video mode first. Okay. Yeah, if you want to watch the recording on flash, just click on flash. On browser, just click on browser. Using Java Pro. Yeah, browser is more good. Now, if you wanna Now let's go to audio player. If you want to listen to voices, if you want to use a flash or HTML5, now select as required. Select anything as required by you. Now, as you can see, this is the recording. Let me show you. So as you can see, everything is being recorded. Now if you want to take a photo, just click on take a photo. Photo has been taken. Take focus photo if you want to focus on one thing and take the photo. Save photo to storage, save focus photo to storage. If you want to save the photo to storage. Now let's scroll down. Okay, now if you want to zoom in, now let me show you. If you want to zoom in, just zoom in as much as you want. Now stream quality, make it 100, or make it 100. Exposure compensation, okay, that's already good. Now if you want to on the flashlight, just click on it. It will on the flashlight. Night vision, you can do anything. Now if you want to use front camera, like if you want to change the switch camera from back camera to front camera, just click on it. Now motion detection, if you want to detect the motion, enable various. Okay, now just select sensitivity. Okay, so this is all done. This video is only for educational purposes. No purpose of this video, and please don't use it for bad purposes. I'm not responsible for anything. So now just let me show you how to watch this recording on VLC media player. Just close it, go to VLC. Now just click on media. Click on stream. Now click on network. Just copy that URL here too. So now after entering the URL, now just you have to add slash and write video. Type video. Now just click on stream. Now next. Now you can see your recording. So now as you can see, the recording is started. So now if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share, and for more videos please stay tuned.